back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use OnePassword Teams for credential management. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use OnePassword Teams for credential management, all you can do is simply go and sign up to OnePassword Business. Once you have signed up into OnePassword Business, you need to create your initial team structure. You need to invite your members, onboard new hires, and offboard employees. After this, you can organize your credential into vaults. You need to create your vault and move and copy items. After this, you can manage your access with the group, create custom groups, share your vaults with groups, and grant and revoke access. You can use administrator tools as well, like set security policies, monitor activity, and integrate with SSO. Once you have done this, you can use your OnePassword Teams for credential management. You can simply grant like custom group ideas on based of departments or roles and grant them specific access to vaults containing relevant password. This system allows both like granular control and easy onboarding and offboarding of employees, as you can add or remove members from groups and vault access changes automatically. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.